Hey, how you doing? I'm Vinny Ignizio, running for the 51st District for New York City Council from Staten Island, the Lone Star Island.
Hi guys, it's me Anonymous. You've been hackstored, lols. Remember the 5th of November, because it's voting day for your local New York City Council. Look guys, we can hack as many government agencies' shitty JavaScript website that any 9-year-old noob control. But until we stop taking over celebrities' Twitter accounts and actually do something, no one's going to take us seriously. Just remember that tomorrow is voting day, and if you happen to take a break from 4chan or Reddit or the 1.7 upgrade to Minecraft and have a decently clean pair of pants, just please go vote for city council elections. They get to decide whether FiOS comes to our neighborhood, and these Firefly BitTorrents are not going to download themselves. Oh yeah, we are Anonymous, we are Legion, we do not forgive, we do not forget, expect us. Okay, bye!
For Vinny Ignizio for Staten Island. Gold chains, gold pinky rings. New York. Thank God. I love you, Ma.